Just doing a little video on the homework of how to read a session. So we'll pick a nice active little session here, and I've got one here on Aussie US dollar. It started at 7:30 in the morning for me, finished at 8 o'clock in the evening. So as I say, this is the session we'll use and we'll get started on it. So we'll take a look at H4 and mark in the important levels first of all. And here we go, here's our session. So what we've got is a nice supply area here. Okay, we have a new supply above which got hit. Oh, actually got broken there. And then what else have we got? We've got our demand level. As you can see, there's a big decision for price to go up. That is demand. Okay, so there are important levels around that time. Let's get back into the lower time frames again. So there's our H4 supply there. There is the supply which was broken from the past. And here is our demand here. So, for charting it, and for actually doing the homework, we'll have our 4-hour chart first of all. We will save that. And that is the 4-hour chart, ready to put into the file. And then back over to here, into our M5. So then we can save this, demands and what's been happening here. Supply. And then we have demand. We have supply broken. We'll write in supply broken there. Here we have demand touched. So then we have, move this out of the way a bit. And we'll get this copied. Demand. Go with a bit of supply here. Excuse me. Supply there. Demand here. Actually, look at this. Then we have more demand here. And we have supply here. Decision to go down, touched. That supply is taken out. And then we have a flag here. The flag broke up through this compression here. Hit this supply zone here. Then we have new spike here. All of this. Touches D nicely. Rejects back up. It hits supply here. Straight back into demand here. through this compression which is here. Here we have, I believe, our fake out, where there are just so many buyers it actually broke out through the high of the 4-hour supply. It's fake out. So price comes back down. Bum, bum, bum. To this decision again, where the supply had been broken. Up then into supply again. We have compression here on the way up into this supply, allowing price to come back down again. It hits this demand again, up into supply, it's compressed up into supply, so it lets it come, so it lets price come back down into demand again, and that's basically the end of our session. So we save this. We will draw in and type in what happens here when price touches demand, when it touches supply. You can write it in if you like. When you get used to it, it's just obvious seeing that you've got your supplies and demands here and seeing what price does when it reaches them. So you now have a 4-hour chart of the bigger time frame of what the area was like and what the levels were, and you have a lower time frame explanation of what happened. So that is a sessions trading, all done and dealt with, and thanks for watching.